When most dinos saw him, they ran for their lives. T-Rex was a hunter, he hunted for meat. Other dinosaurs were his idea of treat. Carnivore. I mean, you eat meat. Go.
Can you say Triceratops? This dinosaur head had 3 horns upon it, sticking up out of the hard
Sort of bonnet.
But though he was smaller and half not as fierce, his head was too hard for the T-Rex teeth to pierce. So after a few dozen snaps at its face, the T-Rex looked for dinner in some other place.
Oh, can you say Apatosaurus? I've got this rather large tail ladder here for us to see eye to eye with Apatosaurus. These dinos' long necks reach up high into trees where they feed on green leaves just as much as they please. He's an herbivore.
Can you say Brachiosaurus? This dino was taller than 51 feet. And just how much food do you think he could eat? Nearly as much as a truckload of hay is what he could gobble day after day.
Wow.